You are muted, Mao. We could. I couldn't hear what you were saying, ma.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I say first, let's check the first 20 from the data invoice date to see the format there. It's prompt another error. No type object has no attribute head. No, we have attribute head here. Print new invoice date dot head. So this part we have months 5/8/2022. Is it months, day, and year, and 24? Can you, is it day, month, and year? Or number 21/9 is day, month, and year? So I don't think we have any month, day, and year. So attribute head. I can check the inter saves new dot head. I want to check the first 30. I just want to confirm the invoice. Maybe it's month, day, and year, or day, month, and year. For example, let's look at this 4/11/2021 and 22. I'm pretty sure it's a day, month, and year. Am I this? Yeah, it's day, month, and year. And Python used to store their dates in months, day, month, and year formats. Yes. And from the error that we are seeing down here, give us that either we use miss, and it make sure here that month, day, and year. So does not match format month, day, and year. The Python code is saying it as month, day, and year. Day, month, and year, it does not match month, day, and year, yes. So if your string have the consistent format, if your string are all ISO 8601 but not necessarily in exactly the same formats, how the format will be inferred for each element individually, you might want to use day first. Okay, let's add day first into the format here, into the code here, comma, format equal to day first. No, I'm not formatting it. I want to call the day first. Sorry, day first equal to true. Let's see the day first is equal to true. This bracket equals function. Okay, it's equal to not plus. Yes. So let's say the data type for the says to see if it's changed to string. When you want to check your data type, says dot dt type. Let's say dot dt type. No. Let me go. Let me confirm so that I want to check the data type to see. Yeah, print. Yeah, we have to use print. Print new sales data type. Print. Let me copy it from here. Cut. Copy. Okay, that's a function. So yeah, okay. So our invoice date now is a date type 64. Any question? Do you have question? So question 9 said that create a new column called total sale using quantity and price. So I need the answer for that. You can drop your answer into the chat. It's very simple to write this code. So I want you to work on question 9. So you create a variable. Let me give you a hint. You create a variable called total sales. So you now call your quantity multiplied by price from your data frame. It says new. You can drop your answer into the chat. So create a new variable called says new total sale. So remember that our new data frame is says new. So you created a data frame that's a column called total sale because we want to multiply the quantity multiplied by the price, and our new column will be total sale. So when it look at, let me come up here. So what I want you to do is after the shopping mall, you create a new column called total sales. So the new column that calls total sale, we are going to multiply the quantity 5 multiplied by price. We want the total sale for each row. Do you have the answer for that? So what you do is that you create a data frame column called new total sales. When you are creating a data frame, you use square square parenthesis total sale equal to sales new quantity you have to put in asterisk quotation mark quantity multiplied by sales new price. So now when your new sale, you will see that you have print sales new So we have a total sale here. Let's make I want to see it in this format. So you see our new column there is total sales. So it will multiply each quantity by price. Any question? So the question number 10, find the total sales generated in the data set. So I want to answer that part, please. I want you to answer that part. The question 10. I want the total sale for this total sale. This part, the entire total sale for it. So you can do that. So please, I don't want to be only one talking. So you can do that part. You use a sum function for that. It's the same like when we were working with Excel. So you use sum function. So I want you to run the code from your end and give me the coding. Find the total sale generated in the data set. Please, 2 minutes. I want us, if we can reach question 20 today, and the remaining 10 questions, you can run it yourself. So please answer question 10 and question 11. Calculate the average customer age. You use mean for average. So I'm giving you an hint. So question 12, find the most common payment method used. So I'll answer that question 12, but question 10 and question 11, please answer the two questions. Let me copy it here. Okay, thank you. Let me check the chat. I think the tutor say is true. The code, give me the code. Or you can unmute yourself and tell me how to write the code here so that everybody will see. You can send the code into the chat, or you unmute yourself and explain to me. Okay. Print customer data total price does. Yeah. Okay. I'll edit me for my head. I use new sales instead of customer. So here I'll change this part to sales new. Sales new total. Okay. No, I use total sales instead of total. So yeah, you got it. Thank you, Mr. Wahab. So question 11. Question 11, calculate the average customer age. I want everybody to participate. You can unmute yourself and explain to me how to write the code. Question 12. Question 12. Question 13. You answer question 11 and question 13. So find the shopping mall with the highest sales. Send the answer for the question 11 so that we can move on. Question 14. Identify the top product category sale. It's the same method that you use in the question number 10 that we're going to use in question number 11. The only difference there is that instead of using sum function here, you are going to use mean. Instead of, in Excel, we use average function in Excel, but in Python, we use mean instead. So it's the same method. I want someone to unmute and tell me how to write the code here. We don't have time. It's the same methods. The only thing you have to change there is mean. Okay, let me check the chat. Yes, thank you. Let me copy your code. Oh, I will change this part to this. You can name your data frame anything. Like Mr. Wab named the data frame customer data. And me, I name it saved. So it depends on you. So yeah, it's correct. So let's go to question 12. Question 12 says that find the most common payment method. So I'm going to use a count value. Yeah. So print says new payment method. Payment excuse method. Dot value count. So this code is telling us that we want to know the payment method. We have 3 different payment methods inside our data set: cash, credit card, debit card. So the value count function is counting, it will count each payment method that we have. So we want to know the number of each, and we'll see that the cash method has the highest payment method, is the most. People use cash than credit card and debit card. So this is the output, the results down here. Any question? Can you give me answer for the question 13? Find the shopping mall with the highest sales. So the highest sales. So let me create a new variable called mall sales equal to, so let's see if you have any question. Stop new. Says new our data frame dot, I'm using group by function, category. I know. I'm working on mall. We are working on shopping mall, not shopping mall. Yeah. So the total sale, because we are going to look for the highest sales. So we call the data frame total sales. You put it on one double quotation dot sum function. So now print my sales, the variable that I created before, my sales. I want it to sort the value for me. Sort value in ascending order. Of course. My sales got to save group by shopping mall. Shopping mall is data frame, not group by shopping mall is equal to total sales dot sum. This group by function could not find total sale. I think we cannot put X. Let me confirm the last column that I created. Okay, not S total sale. So when you see an error, when I put X here, sorry, when I put S here, when you click on the mouse, you see the key error tells that column not found, total sale. So you will go back to your data frame, your data set, and look your column to see if it contains S or not. That was the reason why I'm saying the error. So when I remove the X, so our mall of Istanbul, so our shopping mall, this is a list of the shopping mall we have in data sets. So we have Mall of Istanbul, Canyon, Metro City, Metropole, AVN, in Eastinian Park, Solu Center, Siva Hill, AVM, Viaport Outlet, Emerald Square Mall, Forum, Istanbul. So this is the shopping mall that we have in data set, and it gives us the total sale for each shopping mall. We could see that the Mall of Istanbul has the highest total sales. So when you want to, you will use group by to extract the malls that we have inside the shopping mall. And we could see the data set here. The data type is a float because all the total sales contain float numbers. Any question? So from question 14, 15, 16, 17, you can continue the rest question. If you are stuck, just reach out to me. You have to solve from question 14 to 30 by yourself. If you are stuck, reach out to me, or we can finish. You can work on from question 14 to question 25, and question 26 to question 30, we work on that next week, because that part contains visualization. Let me see. Yeah, it contains visualization. Create a multiple chart using yeah, and I would like to do that in class. So from question 14 to question 25, you can answer that part by yourself. I have another meeting at 11 o'clock. Mr. Wahab, yes, that question 30 is correct. The answer is Mall of Istanbul that contains the IES 226. So let me copy your code down here too, because you use another method. Let me quickly run it. Let me put new sales here. Sales new on it. Shopping mall, total price, total sales, yes, total sales. So, Mr. Print total sales by mall dot IDS mass. Yes, you can use this formula too. So that with this your formula, so what will happen that it will show only the highest sales instead of list all the sales. Let me put it here. Total sales by month, sales new, group by shopping mall. I have total sales dot sum. So print mall sales dot no, print total sales by mall. Right, that's one. Let me run it. So yeah, it will give you the name of the mall, but it won't give you the number, the total sales number. So you see the difference. So you can use either of the two, but if you want to see the number, you use this method. But if you want to see only the name, you use the first method. Thank you, Mr. Wahab. So I'm stopping here. We continue next week by God's grace. I'm joining another meeting in 4 minutes. If you have any question, you can send me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See you next week. Bye.